Many are responding by saying, not again. Here's another large-scale change program with no competitive advantage.
The response was that legislation of this size just wasn't going to work, and that either the legislation was going to be repealed or that there were going to be such broad-based carve-outs that it really wasn't going to apply to them.
Locally, in most countries within Asia, there still is a lot more denial. But as there's more publicity around it, and as they're seeing more of what the multinationals are doing, they're starting to consider their position with regard to FATCA.
FATCA is a piece of legislation that is designed to force foreign entities and foreign corporations that deal with U.S. persons to disclose those persons to the IRS.
The IRS estimate that $100 billion every year goes unpaid by US citizens. And the approach that's been taken by FATCA is to focus on payment flows through financial organisations and to figure out how you can get hold of the money. Financial services organisations should be focused on FATCA because if they want to do business with the US in any way, then they need to be FATCA compliant.
The legislation is all about the disclosure of information that they have with respect to their US accounts. But the way the US government compels them to provide this information to them is this stick, which is the 30% penal withholding.
If they don't follow through and implement, chances are that they, not only themselves, but their clients as well, can suffer the 30% withholding tax. And therefore that would also look to drive clients away to institutions who are compliant.
FATCA requires the whole organisation to mobilise. It's going to require significant changes to the operating model around customer onboarding, withholding, reporting. This isn't a tax issue, this is a hugely complex change delivery programme.
Back in 2001, with a QI network, KPMG set up its model very differently, and we had U.S. withholding tax specialists around the globe. Once FATCA came about, these U.S. withholding specialists became specialists in FATCA.
We also have a lot of operational tax people across the globe who are well connected and are always working together.
FATCA delivery requires individuals that understand and have experience of a much broader range of disciplines than is common in a project in financial services. KPMG has 300 accredited FATCA consultants who have come through our FATCA Academy, who understand the full life cycle of the programme and of all of the operational and technical content required to deliver FATCA. KPMG is well known for its depth in financial services. You need depth and insight in order to deliver FATCA. With a 42% market share in global tax operations, we really know how to do this.